This is the method we follow to prepare our garden bed before the start of every new season. It helps revive soil health and sets a strong foundation for the next crop. The bed we are working on previously grew cauliflower, and the plants have now fully matured. We begin by carefully harvesting the cauliflower heads, taking care not to disturb the soil structure. Even after harvesting, the remaining plant parts are still valuable and should not be treated as waste. Once the harvest is complete, all leftover cauliflower leaves and stems are gathered. These plant parts contain nutrients that were absorbed from the soil during the growing season. Instead of removing them from the garden, we recycle them back into the bed. The leaves are chopped into smaller pieces so they decompose more quickly. Smaller pieces increase surface area, allowing soil microorganisms to break them down more efficiently. Before adding any organic material, the surface of the bed is leveled. A level surface helps water spread evenly across the bed and prevents pooling in low spots. It also makes layering easier and more uniform. After leveling, the chopped cauliflower leaves are spread evenly over the soil. This green layer acts as a natural source of nitrogen and other essential nutrients as it breaks down. Next, crushed charcoal is added on top of the leaves. Charcoal helps improve soil structure and supports long-term soil fertility. It absorbs and holds nutrients that might otherwise wash away with watering or rainfall. Charcoal also improves soil aeration by creating small spaces that benefit beneficial microorganisms. Crushing the charcoal allows it to mix well with other layers instead of remaining in large pieces that break down slowly. A layer of garden soil is then added to cover the leaves and charcoal. This soil keeps the organic materials moist and in close contact with soil organisms, speeding up decomposition. Covering the layers also helps reduce odors and discourages pests. This soil layer forms a natural bridge between the decomposing materials below and the surface where future crops will grow. Next comes a layer of fully decomposed manure. Well-rotted manure is gentle on young plant roots and provides a steady supply of nutrients. It improves soil texture, increases water retention, and feeds beneficial microbes. If planting is still some time away, partially decomposed manure can also be used, but it's important to wait about 4 weeks before planting. This waiting period allows further breakdown and prevents harm to seedlings from heat or ammonia released during decomposition. After all the layers are in place, the bed is thoroughly watered. Watering activates the decomposition process by providing moisture for bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. As these organisms work, nutrients are slowly released into the soil. Proper watering also helps settle the layers, removing air pockets and ensuring good contact between materials. Over time, these layers blend into rich, dark, fertile soil. The decomposed leaves add organic matter, charcoal improves nutrient retention, garden soil provides structure, and manure supplies essential nutrients. This process closely mimics nature, where fallen plant material decomposes and feeds new growth. With each seasonal preparation, the soil becomes healthier rather than depleted. This method not only recycles garden waste, but also reduces reliance on synthetic fertilizers. It encourages a living soil system that supports stronger plants, higher yields, and better resistance to pests and diseases.